Meanwhile, authentication company Okta is investigating a potential breach which put thousands of the companies, agencies and schools that use its services on high alert. For the latest on this, Yahoo Finance's Ines Ferre joins us. Ines, what can you tell us?
Well, Rochelle, this all started when a hacker group posted online some images of what it said that it was able to get into Okta's system. And Okta CEO Todd McKinnon put out a tweet this morning saying that in late January of this year, Okta detected an attempt to compromise the account of a third-party customer support engineer. Now, since then, Okta has given an update saying that Okta's service hadn't been breached and that no corrective actions need to be taken by its customers, and also saying that it is seeing no evidence of malicious activity beyond that January incident. But of course, this is a big deal because Okta works in the authentication software arena. I mean, that's what they do, and they have more than 15,000 customers. So of course, it was a big headline that when it came out. And if you just look at Okta shares right now on our Wi-Fi Interactive board, they're down 2%, pairing its losses from earlier this morning when the stock was down about 7%.
Has this changed how the street is evaluating Okta? Of course, we see the shares down heavily on the day and intraday down by about 2%. But has this changed any of the outlook from the analysts that cover Okta?
There is an analyst from Truist which came out with a downgrade because of this incident, a downgrade to hold from buy, pending more clarity surrounding the incident. And also he cut his price target on the stock to $170 from $270. You did have Raymond James, though, that reaffirmed its buy rating. And if you take a look at the street recommendations, there are 23 buys and 6 hold ratings. There are 0 sell ratings, and the average price target on the stock is for $230. Right now, Okta is trading around $166 a share.
And as we know, the president already sort of putting people on high alert about what we might see in terms of cyber attacks from Russia as a result of the invasion there. Does this really just sort of add fuel to the fire to add that sort of hyper awareness given the current circumstances?
Oh, sure. It's a complete hyper awareness because of that warning from the president. And we've seen with cybersecurity stocks, I mean, we've seen a lot of these rally over the last couple of weeks as the threat of cyber attacks. During times of global tensions, there are more threats of cyber attacks. And so we've seen a lot of these stocks that have seen gains over the last few weeks, these cybersecurity stocks.